Hi everyone, welcome back to Speak Easy English. I am Henry.
Hey friends, and I am Luna. Today, we're helping you feel confident when meeting someone new.
We'll guide you from hello to goodbye with simple, natural English.
You can use these lines with classmates, coworkers, and neighbors.
We'll keep it practical and friendly, like a real conversation.
And we'll share tips that make your voice sound warm and clear.
By the end, you'll know how to start, continue, and finish small talk.
Let's jump in and make first meetings easier.
Begin with a short greeting that fits the moment.
Hi or hello are always safe and friendly.
If it's relaxed, hey works too. Keep your tone gentle.
For formal settings, try good morning, good afternoon, or good evening.
Adding nice to meet you makes your greeting warm.
Eye contact and a smile help you sound confident.
A natural next step is to share your name.
Right. Let's talk about names.
A simple I'm Henry works well.
Or my name is Luna if you want something a bit more formal.
You can add a friendly tag, I'm Henry, nice to meet you.
If your name is uncommon, offer spelling. My name is Luna, Luna.
If you missed the other person's name, ask politely, sorry, what was your name again?
Repeating their name shows you're listening. Nice to meet you, Alex.
Now that names are clear, it's natural to share where you're from.
Let's move to places and background.
Keep it short. I'm from Canada.
Or share your city. I'm from Tokyo in Japan.
Add one detail if you like. I'm from Kingston, a small lakeside city.
If you recently moved, say, I moved here from Brazil last year.
You can connect to the moment. I'm new in town and still exploring.
If someone mishears, clarify kindly. Kingston, with a K.
And after places, it's common to talk about work or study.
Speaking of daily life, what about your work or study?
You can ask, what does a typical day look like for you?
Or share briefly, my mornings are classes, afternoons are homework.
Keep it light. I answer emails, then meet a few clients.
Offer a feeling. It's busy, but I learn a lot each week.
Add one small detail. I commute by bus and read on the way.
Or I work hybrid, 2 days at home, 3 days at the office.
Then invite balance. How about your day?
Great. Once daily routine is clear, talk about job or study titles.
Start simple. I work as a teacher.
Or keep it general. I work in IT.
If you're studying, say, I'm a student, or I study business at college.
If you're between jobs, say, I'm looking for a new role right now.
Add one detail if helpful. I design websites and posters.
And keep it short. No need for a full resume.
Now that jobs are clear, you can warm the chat with a bit about home.
Let's share a small picture of your city or country.
Start with climate. My city has 4 seasons and snowy winters.
Or contrast. My hometown is humid in summer, but mild in winter.
Add a festival. We have a big music festival every July by the lake.
I love summer fireworks festivals with street food and crowded streets.
Food builds connection. We're known for maple syrup and butter tarts.
And we enjoy sushi, ramen, and seasonal desserts during festivals.
Share a feeling. I love my city because people are friendly and relaxed.
I miss quiet mornings back home. The streets feel calm and safe.
Add a quick comparison. My city is small and green. Public transit is limited.
My city is fast and crowded, but the trains are incredibly convenient.
Share a habit. I cycle everywhere in summer to avoid traffic.
On weekends, families meet at parks for picnics and games.
That's a little window into my home. How about yours?
Nice! Now let's talk about hobbies to add a personal touch.
Many listeners find culture and food the easiest topics to start with.
They're safe, friendly, and full of small details to share.
You don't need big stories, just one or two honest sentences.
That keeps the pace light and helps the other person respond.
Use a simple pattern. In my free time, I like to.
I like to hike on weekends when the weather is good.
I enjoy cooking simple pasta or trying new recipes.
I love reading mystery novels and short stories.
I play guitar in a small community group once a month.
Add one detail to paint a picture. I hike early to catch the sunrise.
Then keep things balanced by asking, what about you?
Great! Next, let's bring it closer to where you live now.
A smooth bridge is, what's your neighborhood like?
Mine is quiet, with lots of parks and a bike path.
I'm 5 minutes from a grocery store and a small bakery.
I need to drive for bigger shops, but parking is easy.
There's more green space than downtown, so evening walks are peaceful.
I can jog by the river without heavy traffic or noise.
That sounds relaxing. Having nature nearby makes daily life nicer.
Exactly. After place and hobbies, questions keep the talk moving.
Follow-up questions show interest and build connection.
Ask about place. What's it like living there?
Ask about time. How long have you lived here?
Ask about reason. What made you choose this city?
Ask about hobbies. Where do you usually go hiking or cooking classes?
Ask about work. What do you enjoy most about your job?
Use open questions so the other person can share more.
And when it feels right, you can talk about weekend routines.
A gentle opener is, what do you usually do on weekends?
I like to see a movie or visit a new cafe.
I usually cook, call family, and clean my apartment.
Sometimes I take a short trip to a nearby town.
If the weather is good, I plan a small hike with friends.
When it rains, I read or play guitar at home.
Weekend habits are easy to share and invite new plans.
Right. And after that, you can close the conversation politely.
Close warmly. It was great talking with you.
Or, I really enjoyed our conversation today.
If you want to continue, say, let's grab coffee sometime.
Or, let's stay in touch. What's the best way to reach you?
Share details if you like. Here's my number.
Finish with a friendly line. See you soon.
Before we go, let's do a short role play to put it all together.
We'll keep it quick and natural, like a real first meeting.
If you don't catch something, try, sorry, could you say that again?
Or, could you speak a little slower? It still sounds polite.
When spelling matters, offer it. That's Henry, Henry.
If you mishear, ask, did you say Kingston or Princeton?
Little corrections like these keep the talk friendly and clear.
Great. Now a compact role play from start to finish.
Ready? Here's how it sounds all together.
Let's begin.
Hi, I'm Luna. Nice to meet you.
I'm Henry. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Toronto. How about you?
I'm from Tokyo.
That's interesting. Welcome to Canada.
It was great talking with you.
Same here. See you soon.
Let's check what you remember from today.
1. What's a friendly way to say hello?
2. How do you say your name clearly and politely?
3. What's one short way to say where you're from?
4. How can you share what you do without too much detail?
5. What's a simple line to talk about hobbies?
6. What follow-up question helps keep a chat going?
7. What's a polite way to end the conversation?
If you missed anything, rewind and listen again.
Today, you learned a complete path for first meetings, from hello to goodbye.
We practiced greetings, names, places, jobs, hobbies, neighborhoods, and clarifying.
You also heard how to compare cities, weather, festivals, and foods.
Try these lines this week with someone new.
If this episode helped you, please like and subscribe.
Share it with friends who are learning English.
Thanks for being with us today.
See you next time. Until then, keep speaking easy.